Welcome back to Skyway Classics. You got Shane and Nyla here doing a video on a 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe. Done in beautiful red paint with black interior. Has beautiful chrome all the way around with a nice set of American racing wheels. Nice dual exhaust coming out the side. This is a 302 small block automatic car with power steering and power brakes. I see it's got traction bars on the back. Nice little addition. That's a real pretty interior.
Super clean.
Bucket seats. Aftermarket RPM gauge.
Awesome. All right, well, we're going to get the engine cranked up and take it for a spin. Stay tuned. Start in a 66 Mustang.
All right. She definitely got a nice sound with the side pipes.
For sure. The brakes are real good. They're a little touchy on this. Forewarn you, but they're nice and strong.
We're riding in second gear, folks. Sorry about that.
All the gauges seem to be working. Get it up around this corner and just let it go through the gear one more time.
There, now you can hear a shift. 3-speed automatic. Steering's real tight. There's no play in the steering wheel. It's all holding the road real nicely.
Awesome. Alrighty. We're going to flip it around, get it back up on the lift at the shop, and take a look at the underneath. Thanks, Shane.